In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a node in N8n. Whether you're just beginning your journey with automation tools or you're enhancing your workflow capabilities, N8n provides a flexible and user-friendly interface to get your tasks efficiently automated. This step-by-step guide will have you adding nodes in just a matter of minutes, so let's dive right in. First, we need to start by visiting the N8n official website. Open your web browser. You can do this on any device, whether it's your desktop or even a mobile device, and type in the URL for N8n's official webpage, which is where all the magic begins. Upon reaching the site, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Sign In option. It's essential to be logged into your account to make any changes or additions to your workflows, so go ahead and click on Sign In. If you aren't already a member, this is where you'd also have the option to register an account. Once you've signed in, the full suite of N8n's automation tools will be at your disposal. Now that you're logged in, the next step involves accessing the N8n canvas. This is essentially your creative workspace, where workflows are visualized and orchestrated. You'll see various panels and tools, but our focus is on the Nodes panel. This panel is your gateway to adding new functionalities to your workflow. Once you're in the Nodes panel, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its navigation. It's designed to be intuitive, but spending a few seconds here will make your task much more seamless. Moving forward, you'll want to utilize the search function within the Nodes panel. Think of the node you wish to add to your workflow. Perhaps it's a specific automation task or a trigger from an app you use frequently. Begin typing the name of the node you're interested in. The search function is quite powerful, making it easy to quickly find what you need among a possibly extensive list. For nodes that are community-driven, if a verified version exists, it will be displayed prominently in your search results. This is a wonderful feature of N8n, as it ensures the nodes you're considering are not only popular but trusted within the community. Once you identify the node, select it to get more information about its capabilities and usability. This step allows you to ensure that the node fits your workflow needs perfectly. Finally, after reviewing the node, it's time to install it. Click on the Install option, and just like that, the node becomes available for you to add to your workflow. Drag and drop it onto your canvas, connecting it wherever it fits best within your existing processes. Congratulations! You've successfully added a node to your N8n workflow. As you continue to explore and experiment, remember that the beauty of N8n lies in its adaptability and a vast number of integrations available. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and until next time, happy automating!